In this tutorial, we are going to look at different files in the ArcMap layers and geodatabase. So if you haven't done the exercises in Lab 1, make sure you have completed those to understand different file types. If you open the data folder in Windows Explorer, you will see that there are many files and there are several extensions that could be confusing. This is not the correct way to review the ArcMap data. For a better understanding of file types, start ArcCatalog. So this is how the desktop of ArcCatalog looks like. On the left side you have the catalog tree, which lists all the folders, whereas on the right side we have the contents of the folders. For example, if we go to Lab 1 folder, you will see that all the files that we have used are listed here. We'll sort by type all the files and go through them one by one. The first one is a geodatabase. It contains other feature classes. The second one is a layer file. It contains the cities layer with the proper selection of the points that have more than 500,000 population. This layer file also contains information about symbology, that is, different symbol sizes for the population. The next two files are map documents, and these are the maps that we created in the last 9 modules. They contain all the information about the layers that are used, as well as the symbology and the layout that we created in those maps. The next two files are Raster Datasets. The first one is the JPEG file that we created from the state admission map, and the second one is the UNLV QuickBird imagery that was given to you for Lab 1. The last 3 files are shape files, and these contain polygons and lines. Boundary and zip codes are polygon type shape files, whereas the streets is a line type shape file. You will see data appearing in 2 forms, that is, in shape files and raster files that are separate, or they can be grouped together into a geodatabase. For example, if you double-click USA data, you will see that it has 5 feature classes grouped into a single geodatabase. This should have given you an overview of the file types. Go to catalog tree and look at the symbols for each data type. Try to remember them so that when you are dealing with these files in ArcCatalog, you can recognize before opening these files. Notice the 3 tabs: contents, preview, and description. If you go to, for example, cities layer and click preview, you can see the data that you created, the file. You can also look at the description, although we did not provide any description, but you can create metadata, which is information about this file. In a similar manner, you can look at the maps also. You click the state admission map and check out the preview. So it concludes the tutorial about ArcCatalog and basic information about different file types.